Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Deliwe, also known as the Deliwe. So in today's look we are going to be focusing on soft glam Valentine inspired look. So I did this look and I really love the outcome. So please stay tuned and enjoy this video. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal to cleanse my face. If you've been following me, you know I love this thing. It really leaves your skin feeling fresh and made for those with oily skin. And I've done my eyebrows off camera only because I'm regrowing my eyebrows and it's really difficult to actually try and draw them. So once I'm giving them maybe up until next week Friday, then I'll give you like an eyebrow tutorial, because they're kind of thinned because of excess threading and stuff. Okay, and I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer for my thingy. I don't know what's wrong with the pump, so I used the Release Late Cream. It's very good as well. Alright, so today we are going to start with our foundation. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lasting Fix. So before I even start with my foundation, I'm going to put this as well on my base. So I'm still using these testers that I got. And before I blend it out, my blending egg. So if you want more coverage like me, just add some more foundation. I'm going to add some more just on the spots, on my spots. And then just make sure to go underneath your jawline so that your foundation just doesn't end here. It continues into your neck so that there are no demarcation lines there. So to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Elego Pro Concealer. This one in shade Toffee, and I'm just gonna apply it underneath my eyes. So if you're not in a hurry, just wait for like 10 to 15 minutes so that your concealer dries a bit. But if you're in a hurry, just continue, but just make sure when you're setting it, you set for a bit longer time. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder. So I actually got a new contour powder. It's actually called Mocha Mami. Alright. And I'm also going to be using the Killawatt highlighter in ginger and Moscow. I'm going back to my eyes. So I'm putting blank pencil. L'Oreal felt pen, eyeliner for my eyes, top of my eyes. So today I'm going to be trying the Kiss Beauty glue, and I'm going to try it as well to see if I don't react. So now we're using the Mocha Mami bronzer. And you also need to go back to your jaw. Remember, we're trying to make your face and your neck look the same. I'm just going to take the same bronzer that I used, the Mocha Mami, and we are going to put it in the crease of our eye. You're not doing too much eyeshadow work. Getting mascara. So I used the KIKO mascara. Then I'm going back in with my powder. I'm using Dark Deepest from MAC. Going back in to contour my nose. So there we go. Just gonna put a bit of my setting spray. So I'm going in with MAC Love Thing blush. Then we are going to use the Killawatt highlighter. This is the peach I was looking for. I want to really define my nose contour. I didn't go back in with my fingers today. Because we need that face to be snatched. Really snatched. Alright. Just make sure when you're going back into your nose contour, you pinch your blending sponge. Oh, I'm loving this look. So, I'm just going to put a bit of mascara on my eyes because my lashes are kind of big. And go back in with our liquid liner. Okay, so for me, I'd love to go back into the corners of my eye with the liner. I'm going in with the MAC Whisper of Guilt, just for that extra glow. I'm just going on top, right on the temples of my cheeks, like here. Right, put a bit on my Alright, then before we put our mascara, we spray. And if you really want your setting spray to really set, go back in with your blending sponge. I'm going semi-matte, and today I'm going to line my lips with a black liner. Alright, and I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics lipstick in shade Glory. Now, just a tad bit gloss. So this is the Essence gloss. I got this in Estee. I don't know the name, but I know it's a gloss, and it's in a red shade. I'm just going to put it in the middle part of my lip. And that's it. I got these earrings in Lovisa. Estee. I'm an earring junkie. I love earrings. Okay. Then our mascara. I put a lot because I want that exaggerated look. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for the next one, and I hope you guys are going to try this look on Valentine's. See you on the next one.